So children, as you all know, today we are dealing with, yes, regarding Uttarakhand. Okay, yes, today we will be going to Uttarakhand virtually. Okay, are you all interested? So see children,
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
going, we are going to Uttarakhand. Can you see the slide?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, so it is
Yes,
as if we
ma'am.
are going inside Uttarakhand. We are entering Uttarakhand now. Okay. So next, we are dealing with today food and habitat of Uttarakhand. Okay. Children, can you all tell me where exactly Uttarakhand is located? Which side?
Ma'am, I'm near Jammu Kashmir.
Yes.
I'm near Jammu Kashmir.
Yes. So it is
I'm near
northern.
Jammu Kashmir.
Yeah, near north side.
Near Jammu
Okay.
Kashmir.
Yes.
Jammu
Northern
Kashmir.
region.
North side.
Okay, okay, children. So
North.
it is to the north side of our India. Okay, north means it is to the top side. Okay, we call it as Pahadi. Children, please mute. Okay, so food and habitat. How the people are having the food over there, and what is the habitat of Uttarakhand? Okay, so Uttarakhand, as you all know that we have discussed now, it is to the northern region of India. Okay, north. In a India map, you can just see that Uttarakhand, it is on the top side. Okay, can you all see the slide? Food and habitat of Uttarakhand. Okay. So the next slide. Special equipments we use in cooking. Okay. What is the meaning of equipments, children? Equipments. In home, we are cooking a food. Okay. Yes or no? So what vessels we are using? Okay, that is known as equipments. Okay, for cooking, what all utensils, what all vessels we are using, that those are known as equipments. So in Uttarakhand, okay, we will see special equipments used in cooking. This special pot is called bhaddu. Okay, so what it is known as?
Bhaddu.
Yes, bhaddu. Okay.
Bhaddu.
Yes, children. So here in this bhaddu, okay, generally urad dal is prepared in this pot on slow fire. आप सभी लोग इडली खाते हो ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it is made
Yes,
up
ma'am.
of urad dal. Okay. So in that bhaddu, okay, what they will do? They will prepare urad dal. Okay. Generally, urad dal is prepared in this pot on slow fire. Slow fire. They do not keep it on very high flame. Okay. This is a traditional water carrying utensil locally called a bhanta. Can you all see here a tap? Okay, which is on, and there is a water flow into a equipment which is known as banta. Okay, can you all see the pictures on the right side? The first pic is regarding, yes, it is regarding the special pot which we call it as bhaddu. Okay, so the second picture, it is regarding the traditional water carrying utensil. Utensil means what? The equipment, the vessel that they are using for carrying the water. Okay, for storing and for using the water. Okay, so here it is known as bhanta. Okay, next. So see children, is it mouth watering? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in the first picture,
Ma'am.
yes, in the first picture there is an utensil, okay, which is on a fire, okay, and down you can see a person, okay, a chef who is preparing the foodstuffs, okay. Can you see their utensils, children? Now, if you go to temples
Yes,
and all,
ma'am.
okay, if you go to the temples and all, they do not prepare in very small utensils, okay. The vessels are very big. Yes or no? So here in Uttarakhand, you can see that in temples and all, Mahaprasad will be there. Okay, Mahaprasad and all will be there, and they prepare it in such
Yes, ma'am.
utensils. Okay, you all can see there are very big utensils. Okay, so that chef, he is preparing it in such big vessels known as banta. Okay, so here children, here on this slide, on this pic, you can see that there is an vessel in which what is the food, what is the stuff present in that banta? Can you all see?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
हाँ क्या है वो?
Ma'am, put the ma'am there. Ma'am, they please put the ma'am.
Yes, is it not गाजर का हलवा?
Yes, ma'am. That carrot. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Yes, gajar ka halwa it is. Okay. So the next one, the last slide, which is a ready plate, ready to eat. Okay. So children, you can see that there are different varieties of foodstuffs prepared in an plate. Okay. It is kept ready for us. Okay. So you all have to imagine that we have gone to Uttarakhand and the plate is ready now. Okay, ready to eat it is. So next, so here you can see the green color gravy. Can you all see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is
Yes,
it is the famous food that is prepared in Uttarakhand, and the name is kafuli. Okay, what is the name?
What, ma'am? Ma'am,
Kafuli.
like cartoon that will be seeing, ma'am.
Yes, here children. Okay, the green color, the pot which is having the green color stuff. Okay, so this is kafuli. We will be seeing it in the next slide. Here, major everyday gharwali food. Okay, so actually, Uttarakhand, it is been divided into two divisions. Okay, so in for two divisions, which are those children? From morning, you all are listening regarding Uttarakhand. Can anyone tell me? Yes? Anyone? Uttarakhand, it has been divided into two divisions. Yes? Which are those?
Tell to Gaurav Nucleus.
Yes, Gharwali food, it is one of the division of Uttarakhand. Okay, it has been divided into two divisions, and here, children, please mute.
Tell Gaurav Nucleus.
Please mute. Okay. So the dishes made of rice and dal along with accomplishments such as chutney or pickle are everyday meals. Okay. So even we will have pickle, chutney. Okay. So in a plate, what all we will be having? Chapati. Okay. And sabzi along with that chutney and pickle. Okay. We will be having side stuffs. Okay, seasonal leafy green vegetables are also preferred. Okay, so seasonal leafy green vegetables, like as the season changes, the green vegetables they will also be changing. Okay, as we have seasons here. Okay, at different seasons we will be getting different vegetables. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So next one, dal dishes made with
Yes,
tur,
ma'am.
okay, tur, masoor, urad and chana dal. They are served as side dishes. Okay, they will be also having the dal dishes. Okay, as you go to the hotel and if you order any North Indian food, okay, dal is there compulsory there. Okay, if you are taking the thali. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, dishes like chain soup, bhatwani, kafuli, jholi and fanu are some of the side dishes served with rice. Okay. So, along with rice, what all they are serving side by side? It is chain soup, bhatwani, kafuli. Kafuli is the famous over there. Okay. Jholi and fanu. These are all the side dishes they are serving with rice. Okay. While kafuli is a thick gravy preparation which is made with, yes children, can you all see here which leaves are used for kafuli?
Ma'am, spinach leaves.
Yes, very good. It is spinach leaves, what we call it as palak. Okay?
Spinach leaves.
Yes. Even here we find spinach leaves. Yes or no? Palak. Palak is very healthy food. Okay, very healthy green vegetable. The fano is a spicy dal dish. Okay, so we are looking after the food that is been available in Uttarakhand. Okay, so the next one, yes, children, now you all can see kafuli. Okay, which color is it?
Ma'am, green.
Okay. So children, yes, children just see, is it not looking same like palak paneer? Yes. Yes. Okay, okay. So children, just see carefully what all ingredients. Now to prepare any food, we need some ingredients. Okay. So first we will look after the ingredients and how it is being prepared. Okay. So here we need spinach leaves. Okay. Quantity they have given, just see, it is 250 grams of spinach. Okay. And it should be cleanly washed. We will be looking it in the preparation. And fenugreek leaves also. What are fenugreek leaves? What we call it in a common language? Anyone? Methi. Very good. Yes. Yes. Fenugreek leaves are the methi leaves, which are also green in color. Okay. Very healthy it is. Next, you are also required with 2 tablespoons of curd. Okay, curd is also necessary, and you need 1 tablespoon rice powder. Not only rice, its powder should be there. Atta. Okay, rice atta should be there. Next, we need, yeah, next half teaspoon coriander seeds powder. Okay, coriander seeds which are available, its powder should be formed. Okay, and we also need a turmeric powder, asafoetida, that is the hing what we call in a common language. Okay, and cumin seeds, that is the jeera seeds. Yes, asafoetida is hing. Cumin seeds are jeera. Okay. Next, 1 teaspoon we need ginger. Okay, ginger which is smashed. Okay. Next, garlic cloves. Okay, lasoon what we call. Next, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Okay, mustard seeds which are available, its oil will be available. That is the mustard oil. 2 green chilies. Okay, even the green chilies are required, and the salt which is required for taste. Okay, children. So these are all the ingredients. Now we will see how to prepare it. Okay. Now initially we have seen that all the green vegetables such as spinach and fenugreek leaves, that is palak and methi, they have to be well washed. Okay, and they have to be chopped along with green chilies. Green chilies, palak and methi, they should be washed properly and they should be boiled. Okay, and we should blend it to a fine paste. Okay, in a mixer we should take its paste. Next, what you will do in an empty vessel, okay, you have to temper the mixture with hot oil, spices, salt, ginger and garlic. What is the meaning of temper? Temper means you will have to add the seasoning. Okay, you have to put all the hot oil separately. We have to keep hot oil. Okay, next you have to heat the oil, spices you have to add, salt, ginger and garlic paste. Okay, if you have the garlic cloves, then you can add them by finely chopped. Add some water to it and bring it to a medium boil. Okay, whatever the mixture is there, you have to also boil it. Okay, next we have used which powder, children? Here we have taken rice powder. What is the role of rice powder? Anyone? Rice powder, it is to make the gravy thick. Okay, gravy बहुत thick करना है. The speciality of kafuli is what? The gravy should be very very thick. Okay, next you have to cover it and cook it for 10 minutes on slow heat. When you add rice powder, okay, to make the gravy thick, we will keep it for 10 minutes on slow heat. Okay, and you have to serve this gharwali kafuli which is ready now. You will be serving it hot with ghee. Okay, is it mouth watering, children? How is the pic? Okay, so next one, seasonal availability. Okay, so as we have in India, okay, we have studied in the first lesson. Okay, kharif crops, yes, rabi crops, kharif crops, it is according to the season. Yes, children. So here major crops and major fruits. Yes. Okay. So children, yes, please mute. Please mute. Major crops are rice, wheat, barley, corn, Mandua, Hangora. Okay, so these are what they are the major crops that are available seasonally in Uttarakhand. Okay, so children, we will look after the fruits next. What are the major fruits which are available abundantly are apple, lychee, plum, okay,
Apple,
yes,
grow in
yeah, Malta
apple.
and
I mean,
pomegranate.
lychee grow in Bihar.
Okay, pomegranate also. So these are the major fruits which are available seasonally in Uttarakhand. Okay, no one is sleeping, no, all are hearing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
specialty cuisine for festivals. Okay. So what foodstuffs are specially prepared? Who is singing that? Mute.
Amit Kumar.
Specialty cuisine for festivals. Okay. So during festivals in our home we prepare different types of food, right? Yes, children. During
Yes,
festivals
ma'am.
we will
Morning, sister.
prepare
Yes, ma'am.
we prepare different special types of food which are different from the regular days. Okay, so here the festival foods of Garhwali cuisine include arsa, rot, bal mithai, and children, bal mithai is the famous sweet which is available in Uttarakhand. Okay, which is that bal mithai, Singori, okay, Gulgula, along with other adaptations from North Indian cuisine such as Kheer and Gajar ka Halwa. Okay, yes, I have shown you starting Gajar ka Halwa pick. Yes, the rot is a sweet roti made with wheat flour, milk, jaggery, and ghee. Okay, so they also prepare the sweet roti which is made up of wheat flour. Okay, the chapati atta, chapati flour. Okay, next one, milk, jaggery, and ghee. Okay, with these ingredients they will prepare sweet roti during festivals. Okay, so the next one, you will see the pic of bal mithai, which is a brown chocolate like fudge made with roasted khoya coated with white sugar balls. Here children, this pic can you all see? It is known as, yeah, it is known as bal mithai. Okay, and it is very famous in Uttarakhand. Okay, yes, as we have the famous sweet in Belgaum is kunda. Okay, so here it is bal
Yes,
mithai.
ma'am.
Okay, yes,
मैम मैंने खाई है
yes. So next one here you can
मैम मैंने भी
see.
खाई है
Okay, so the next one is arsa. Okay, arsa, it is also the another traditional sweet which is made up of rice flour and sugar syrup. Okay, so here children you can see in arsa, which is the brown colored one, it has been made up with sugar syrup and rice flour. Okay, the third one is regarding Singhori. Okay, can you all see here? It is wrapped in a leaf.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is what it is, the milk based sweet that is wrapped in a leaf. Okay. So what is the speciality of Singori? It is wrapped in a
Ma'am,
leaf.
it is. Ma'am, it is boiled.
Yes.
Ma'am, it boiled in sand, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
you should put water and see that lift that in sand.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So along with leaf only it has been wrapped. Okay. And it is a milk based sweet, means along with the help of milk they prepare it. Okay. Children, can you see the next slide? The two thalis are ready.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
along with the names, it has been written. The first one here,
Roti.
aloo ke gutke, which is a famous street food in Uttarakhand. Okay. Street food means what? It is available on the streets also, and it is the snack. Okay. Aloo ke gutke, खीर का रायता, ओके, भट की चुटकनी, ओके, gahat ke dubke, kaufuli. Yes, here again the kaufuli is come. Yes, children, it is the famous stuff which is made in Uttarakhand. Okay, jhangora ki kheer, lesu, urad ke vade, red rice. Okay, And the famous sweet in Uttarakhand is Bal Mithai.
Bal
And
Mithai.
yes, the leaf one you all can see, it is the Singori. Okay.
Holi.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So children, here also we can see the different types of foodstuffs in the right hand side thali. Okay. So kaddu ka raita, kaddu, yes, lal bhat, which is known as also the red rice. Okay. And different the side accomplishments are been given along with the thali. Okay. So what all is available in Uttarakhand? Okay. The food habit, food stuffs. Yes, so here lies our Uttarakhand. Yes, children, the habitat here
Yes,
we will be
ma'am.
looking after in Uttarakhand. This is the north region. Okay, sorry, in India, this is the north northern part where we can find our Uttarakhand. Okay, in Uttarakhand, these are all the states. Okay, important cities: Dehradun, Haridwar, Tehri,
And
Uttarkashi.
Dehradun is the capital of ma'am,
Uttarakhand, yes.
Ma'am, Dehradun is capital of Uttarakhand.
Very good. Okay,
Capital of
Chamoli,
Uttarakhand.
Rudraprayag, Pauri, Almora, Nainital, Champawat, Udham Singh Nagar, okay, Pithoragarh, Chamoli. Okay, so these are the states which
Ma'am, these
fall
all
in.
form 13 districts.
Yes, okay, these all will be constituted into an Uttarakhand. Okay, the next one. Yes, India is the name of the country. Okay, and how many districts are there, children?
Ma'am, 29.
Yes. So,
20.
sorry. Yes,
I'm
yes.
19. 13.
Yes.
14.
Yes, children, I have
Ma'am,
written here.
13.
Yes, 1 minute. Yes, it is regarding the. It is regarding what? Uttarakhand. Okay, so how many
I'm
districts are
13.
there? 13. Okay.
13.
Yeah, 13 in
I'm
Uttarakhand.
13.
Yes, and it was established
Ma'am,
in.
established.
Yes. So the next one is regarding 1 minute. Okay. So here, what is the capital, children? Capital is, yeah, Dehradun, and it is the, it is, children, please wait. It is the largest city of Uttarakhand. Okay. Next one, Valley of Flower. Okay, so Valley of Flower, children, it is located in the Chamoli district. Okay, so we have seen so many districts. In that, Chamoli district has been consisting of Valley of Flower. Okay, and it is having the n number of flowers over there. And this beautiful valley stretching over an area. Totally, the area is how much? 87.5 square kilometers. It is not only in meters, but it is been fledged into kilometers. Okay, it was declared as national park in the year 1982. Okay, it also comes under the national park Valley of Flower, and it is there in Chamoli district. Okay, next, yes, Corbett. It has been named after the hunter turned conversionist, that is Jim Corbett, who played a key role in its establishment. Okay, so whose name it has been named after? Jim Corbett. Okay, and he helped in establishing the zoo. Okay, the it is the oldest national park. Okay, you can say that it has been very old one, and it is the oldest national park. The park was established in 1936. Okay, before independence. So it is established in 1936 as Haley, that is the national park which is situated in Nainital. Okay, so this is one more district, children. Valley of River, Valley of Flower. It was been situated in Chamoli district, the previous slide one, and here which has been situated in Nainital, that is the Corbett. Okay, please remember this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. the secure survival of which is the main objective of Project Tiger, an Indian wildlife protection initiative. Okay, we have to protect our previous, that is the natural species in which the tiger also comes. Okay, the park has sub-Himalayan belt geographical and ecological characteristics. Okay, it is all related to the geographical and ecological characteristics. Ecotourism destination, it contains totally how many species we can find there? Totally 488 species of plants and animals. Okay, so we can find there n number of totally plants and animals. Okay, yes. So here ends our slide, children. That is a presentation. Did you all enjoy?
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what I hope you all enjoyed regarding. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
how was the
ma'am.
tour, children? We had been virtually. We understood what different types of food items they eat. Okay, and what is the flora and fauna? That is the plants and animals. Value of flower. Okay, and how they are protecting the natural species such as the flora and fauna. Okay, and they are also made as national park. Okay, so the first freedom fighter of Uttarakhand. Okay, I'm giving you an information. First freedom fighter of Uttarakhand name is Ram Prasad Nautiyal. Okay, what is the name, children? Ram Prasad Nautiyal. Nautiyal. Okay, he was the first Nautiyal. Okay, he was the first freedom fighter of Uttarakhand. Okay, and which all languages? Yeah, children, here the official language they use as Hindi only. Okay, yes, and the
Yes, ma'am.
street food, as I told you, they the popular street food they make there is aloo ke gutke. They are made up of potato. Okay, yes, and children, the other name for Uttarakhand is Devabhoomi. Yes, why they call it as Devbhoomi, children? Because there are many holy places. Okay, it has also been seen that it is a big pilgrimage center. Pilgrimage means what? If you want to go and worship to any god or goddess, okay, so they go to the Uttarakhand. There are many places that they go for as a pilgrimage. Okay, did you all
Yes,
enjoy?
ma'am.
Yes.